Yeah.
Nice. How would you learn how to make this? Milk. Or cream if you like it more creamy, but
Secret ingredient.
and of course the alcohol. What is it called?
Pernod.
What is it?
Pernod. Pernod.
Pernod. Kind of like white wine, right?
It's a liqueur.
So this is the secret ingredient to make these delicious mussels.
Oh, too much.
Love the mussels, man. A little bit of salt for flavoring. And then bam, put the lid on. Delish.
Yeah.
Nice. Here's the mussels. Oh my goodness, so fresh and so delicious. We're gonna try one. Ta-da, look at that. And here are the mussels. Mmm. That is so good. So fresh. These are actually Costco mussels.